What's up, everyone? So, I heard there's a 300 square foot house in Toronto which seems kinda small, so naturally I thought I'd go check it out. Apparently it was built in 1912 on land that was originally intended to be an alleyway between two other properties. I decided to walk over from the Annex, which is a vibrant downtown neighborhood where I actually used to live about 10 years ago. This takes me west through Koreatown, which you may recognize from a previous video, past the Ossington Avenue area, then I head north, mostly uphill on a long street where suddenly it gets very cold before finally arriving at the tiny little house. It's about 6 kilometers in total to walk, but I think I saw a few interesting things and people along the way, and maybe I'll take you to another destination after. Alright, let's go see what the smallest house in the city looks like. So apparently this little house is just up here. I know I can't wait to see what it's like. This suspense is killing me. And there it is. 300 square foot house. Totally worth the walk. Alright, what else is there around here? So I was just looking at my phone. Apparently there's another really tiny house about 25 minutes from here. I can't think of anything else I'd rather do. Can you? Let's get to it. There we go, another tiny house. I think I'm going to be done with this subject for a while. Let's go find some lunch. I hope you enjoyed this journey to Toronto's smallest house. If you'd like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.